In this video, I'll guide you through how to log a phone call in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what information to fill out so your calls are properly tracked and easy to reference later. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho CRM website at crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, you should see the standard navigation menu that Zoho provides across the top or side of the screen, depending on your layout. Now we'll move into the section of Zoho CRM where calls are managed. From the navigation, look for the option labeled Activities. This is where Zoho groups tasks, meetings, calls, and other interactions. Go ahead and click on Activities. If your view shows different tabs or filters, don't worry, just make sure you're in the overall Activities area. Within Activities, you'll see different activity types. We want to focus specifically on phone calls, so locate and click on Calls. This will filter the list to only show call-related records. If your team already logs calls, you might see a list of previous call entries here, but for now, we're going to create a new one. Next, look for a button or link that says Create Call. This is usually near the top of the calls page, often highlighted as a primary action. Click on Create Call to start a new call record. Zoho will open a form where you can either schedule a call or log one that has already taken place. Since we're documenting a call that has already happened, click on the option that says Log a Call. This tells Zoho that you're recording details after the fact rather than setting something up for the future. The form will adjust accordingly so you can enter past times and outcomes. Now you'll see fields where you can enter your call information. Take a moment to carefully fill these in. This typically includes who you called or who called you, the date and time of the call type, and any notes you want to keep. Make your notes as specific as possible, including what was discussed, any questions raised, and agreed next steps. Detailed notes will help you and your team when you need to follow up later. As you move down the form, you'll see a field for the purpose of outgoing call. Open that drop-down and choose the option that best describes why you made the call. For example, it might be a follow-up, a product discussion, a support check-in, or something similar, depending on how your Zoho account is configured. Selecting the right purpose helps with reporting and makes it easier to understand patterns in your outreach. Below that, select the outcome of outgoing call. This indicates what happened on the call, such as whether you connected successfully, left a voicemail, scheduled a meeting, or need to follow up again. Pick the outcome that most accurately reflects the result of that conversation. Consistent use of these options will make your reports much more meaningful over time. Once all the required fields are filled out and your notes look good, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Zoho CRM will store the call record and associate it with the relevant contact, account, or deal, depending on how you linked it in the form. That's all there is to it. You've just logged a phone call in Zoho CRM, making sure your communication history is complete and easy to reference for future follow-ups and reporting.